Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from Heinen's Grocery Stores, and today we are gonna fire up those grills and make a few different amazing pizza recipes. When thinking of pizza, most of the time you're indoors in your own oven, but now that the weather has turned, we are heading right outside because we wanna grill up these pizza recipes. The first thing we need to do is lay our pizza stone right on those grill grates and crank the heat up to 500 degrees. If you don't have a pizza stone, what you can do is lay a piece of heavy-duty foil right on the grill grates. When it comes to making pizzas, I like to be as creative as possible. Tons of different toppings, different flavors, all of those wonderful things coming together and almost having like a pizza bar every time I make pizza for the family, just because everyone has different taste buds. And especially when it comes to grilling, you're gonna get some really cool flavors there. So what I'm gonna do is make a couple different pizzas using a pre-made dough and some of Heinen's own cauliflower crust, gluten-free, absolutely delicious. Let's first start with the pre-made dough. Papa Sal's is a fantastic pre-made pizza dough. It rises every time, it's absolutely delicious. It's incredibly easy to use. Go ahead and flour up a clean surface. What you wanna do is simply form this pizza dough out to about 12 inches in diameter. We're gonna transfer it to a pizza peel that is dusted with cornmeal. If you don't have a pizza peel, no problem. Use the back side of a cookie sheet tray that also is dusted with cornmeal. And now for the toppings. Because this is all about the grill, we are gonna do a meat lover's pizza. I'm very traditional when it comes to doing the sauce. I like simply crushed tomatoes. All you do is spoon on some of those canned crushed tomatoes, season it up with a little salt and pepper, and then what we're gonna do is add on our toppings. For this one, we've got some shredded mozzarella cheese, and be sure to leave about a ½ inch gap all the way around the outside of the pizza for that crust. Now for the toppings, I've got some bacon, some Italian sausage, some pepperoni, and for a little extra love, we're gonna add on some sliced tomatoes and some sliced mozzarella. Go ahead and transfer it right out to that pizza stone that's preheated to 500 degrees. It's only gonna cook for maybe 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure that crust is nice and brown. You can see how amazing this looks. You can finish this off with a little bit of chopped basil or simply leave it alone. And now for those cauliflower crusts, the same exact way, only we don't need to roll these out because these are pre-made, pre-rolled, frozen, amazing gluten-free pizzas. Cauliflower is the main ingredient. Super delicious, especially if you're looking for those gluten-free options. We're gonna lay it right on that pizza peel. We're gonna keep this one more on the vegetarian side. And if you like something more traditional for the sauce, Heinen's makes a fantastic pre-made pizza sauce. It'll save you a ton of time and it's really delicious. Go ahead and spread it out on that pizza crust. Make sure to leave about a ½ inch around the outside. Now we're gonna add on this one some shredded mozzarella. We've next got some sliced zucchini, squash. Gonna hit it with some red onion, tomatoes. We're gonna finish it off with a huge bunch of spinach, drizzle on a little olive oil, season it with salt and pepper. We're going right outside to that hot pizza stone grill. It's gonna cook for maybe 8 to 10 minutes, possibly 12. You just wanna make sure that crust is golden brown, your vegetables are cooked and tender, and the cheese is melted. We can finish this one off with basil or oregano, or again, simply leave it as is. Now for the next cauliflower crust, because I love this combination. We're gonna do a little bit different. We're gonna add on the crushed tomatoes. We're gonna hit it with some of the shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna add on some sliced mushrooms, some peppers, some olives. We're gonna hit it with a few slices of mozzarella, going right outside to the grill again, 8 to 10 minutes, maybe 12 again. You just wanna make sure that crust is golden brown, the vegetables are cooked, and the cheese is melted. Boom, we are finished. Everything looks and smells amazing. Don't wanna wait any longer. Let's check this out. These are such awesome recipes and so much fun to do over those warm summer months. Great for backyard get-togethers or just hooking up the family for a fantastic weeknight meal. I covered all things pizza, from vegetarian to gluten-free to the meat lovers. You are gonna love all of these amazing recipes. Be sure to get all these great ingredients from your favorite Heinen's grocery stores. Hit up Heinens.com. We are jam-packed with recipe videos there. We got a lot of pizza. We'll catch up with you later.